11 here. We're doing a video on the Chevy, the Silverado. Saw in that last video I was doing the carpet. It's actually the same day, just making two different videos. So what we're doing here is showing how to replace the carpet, or just me replacing the carpet in this truck because it's nasty, disgusting, gross carpet. So all you got to do is you got to unbolt your back seat. There's two bolts here. There's two bolts over there. You slide up. You got to unbolt your seat belts in the center, and then the whole thing comes up and out. And then on your front seats, there's two bolts in the back on each one and two nuts in the front on each one. And you just unplug your electric reclining bullshit if you've got it, and then those two, those two just raise right up and come right out. And for the center console, the two inner nut and bolts on the seats hold that down, and then there's two bolts behind the tape player, or if you don't have a tape player, the CD rack, you can pull that out and then undo those two bolts, and then the whole thing just comes up and slides back, and then you pull that out, and then you're left with an open cab. You may have to take off the dash. It just pops out. Just pull it out. It comes right off. You have to drop your shifter down. Drop the steering wheel down out of the way. I had mine down out of the way. So now, what I got to do is just pull it out, all the carpet, and try and find out where the leak, the water leak, is coming from, because there is a very large leak. A vacuum full of water. You can see all the water down here building up already. You should have seen it before. I put some JB Weld in this hole. I don't know if that was it. And I re-caulked all the little ports here with silicone. That one over there. There's some holes in the floor right here. Caulk those up. So this thing is just absolutely soaked. Like, it is. Look at the water coming out of it. It's just soaked. And then I'm pretty positive whoever had this truck before me spilled oil, because this whole front here, it's not wet, it's like oily. It's gross. Like, you can see the difference. So that's another reason I'm replacing it. So yeah, I'll work on this little wiring section here, and we'll pull it out, get it out of there. What I'm doing, I got my wires loose, just kind of bunch of random crap. Just kind of pulling the little clips, little hold down things. Don't rip that. Who cares? I'm replacing it. There's something right here. Not sure exactly how this thing. Not sure how exactly you're supposed to maneuver it to get the carpet out. It just comes up or pops out or something. I don't know. Alright, I got that off. I just ended up just breaking it a little bit. I'm not sure if there's a specific way to get it off. Probably. But I wasn't too worried about it. If anything, I'll just duct tape it back on. Alright, so now I gotta figure out if that is not cut. That dash support. Just have to cut the carpet a little bit. Go in here and just cut it a little bit. Let me cut it real quick. Set that up there. Alright. I don't know how it's gonna go about coming out from under things, so let's just pull it on. Oop. Go watch out for the amp power wire. Yeah. Oh, yeah, you can see that. That's nasty under there. Look at that. Ew. Ew. That's gross. Ew. There it is. Pop top. And a big old screw. Big old screw. Let's get rid of that one. Okay, it's good. It's gone. You got your duct work for your rear heating. Pull that shit up. There's a computer of some sort. Yup. So I'm gonna get this carpet out real quick. Look at it, look at it, look at it. Ew. Look at that. What is that? Oh, that's disgusting. Okay. Towel. Yeah, this is absolutely gross. I don't even want to touch it. There. There she is. Oh, that is disgusting. Ew. Look at this. So, you just want to look at the oil. Oil all over that. I don't know if somebody was just doing black tar heroin or what this is. That's probably what it was. It's probably just black tar heroin. Just smoking some heroin by all. Something. They're smoking something up in here. Oh, that's disgusting. Oh, that's wet. Oh, that's gross. Towel. Gross! Oh, there's got to be a way to... Oh, that's what it is. It's stuck on that. So you just got to slide that little thing up off of that stud. And then once you do, it just slides right out from under. And then you got your duct work. Rear duct work. Okay. Lay that in here so it don't get ruined or wet. There you go. Got that. Now we can pull this insulation out, kind of. I gotta get the other one of these. That's important. Where did it go? Okay, found it. We're good. That's what holds that ductwork down. Okay, next. Of course there'd be a wire running across the insulation. So I'm gonna work on that. Just give me a minute to figure stuff out. Hold on. So I got that little bolt undone right here to this ground wire. So now we can just chuck all this wiring out of the way and pull the whole thing out. That's out of the way. I cut this right here so that one little thing don't come off. Probably don't need that, but who cares? So just gotta pick up on it. It's so nasty. Hear all the shit clanking around, falling off. Close the door. There we go. And there's that thing. Cool. Nasty. Now, I'm gonna clean the hell out of this. Vacuum it and wipe it down. Get all that mold been growing off of it. And go look at the other side. See if I can see if where water was coming in or not. That's the whole point of this. And that, friend Cody, doing 90. 35-mile-an-hour road. Not smart. Stupid. Don't be like him, kids. Oh. Don't know where the water's coming from. Still have not found out yet. It all feels solid. Well, I'm gonna look it over a little bit. I'll get back to you if I find it. Alright, well, vacuumed it out a little bit. Haven't really found anything noteworthy that looks like it would be leaking. I'm not sure yet, but I'm not giving up. I'm gonna probably take this black plastic thing and lift it up decently. There's got to be a hole somewhere. Or maybe I'll just leave this bare metal until it rains again and come out here and watch it and see if water comes in anywhere, because I don't want to rust out this perfect floorboard. You know, it even looks good underneath. So I'll put my sub back in there. So that's it for this one, guys. Maybe that's what's doing it. Fucking door seal falling off. Nah, that wouldn't. It just slipped off where I climbed up there. This could be this wire. Maybe. I don't know how water would get from here all the way to over there. Don't know. But yeah. There it is. Oh, I managed to get that messed up. Flip it over. There we go. Alright. So, now, we'll, let you know when a new carpet comes. It's starting to rain, actually. Haha! Funny. I don't know. I figured the water would probably be coming in, like, somewhere in this area. Down in there somewhere. I don't know for sure. Not a for sure. Oh, look at my beautiful paint. Somebody, like, I don't know what happened. It's the only spot on the whole truck. It's ruined. So there's all my interior. It's just gonna sit there and get aired out by the fan because it stinks. It smells like mildew. It's gross. So yeah. Like it if you like it. Dislike it if you hate it. We'll have a new one coming soon on the carpet and whether or not we find a leak. So yeah. This is Dan X11. We'll see you in the next one.